Girl, did you see that video? It was for real. So I know I said I wasn't going to get another Temu wig, but I got a couple more coming.
Did you say?
I had to test this one out because you know what? As soon as I pulled it out of the package, the color just threw me off. And just looking at it, it didn't feel right. The texture didn't feel good. I had to do the little smell test. It smelled real funny. I know some of the wigs normally smell funny, but this one was extra, so I had to check it out. So if you didn't watch my YouTube short on that video, go check it out. All right, let's get started. I don't know if you guys want to continue seeing me apply a lace wig, but this will probably be the last video that I do that shows how I apply it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some clips and I'm going to speed it up, but I'm going to get straight to the point because I want you guys to see how this wig turned out. Okay, so now that I got it applied, I do not like this length. It looks thin and wiggy, so I'm gonna cut it. I have the most unorthodox way of cutting my hair.
What?
In the end, it seems to pull together for me. So, you can see how I'm doing it, and let's wait and see how it turns out in the end. So, I'll be back later, but keep watching, girl. Girl, let me tell you, I am not a hairstylist. I don't know how to cut. I don't know how to do nothing really when it comes to hair but put on this lace wig. And I barely know how to do that, as you can see. But I think I did my big one on this. And I hate saying that word, but this wig, it turned out cute, considering I'm still iffy about that human synthetic hair test, but I really do like it. One thing I don't like though is this freaking camera. I need to learn how to, I guess, color grade or something, because it got me looking white. I'm really not this color, like in real life, I'm not. So next video, I'm gonna try to learn how to fix it. But anyway, tell me guys what you think of this in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.